yes, it's from the panel, yes, yes, it's control panel. So that landing for the landing of roboting is here, 3 of it. So I just set it here for safety. Let's see the floor.
No job. It's business o'clock. No time for job. Business o'clock. No job. It's business o'clock. No time for job.
We are here to respond to the landing door.
Look at the merchandise. Hey, my merchandise. Check out 50 products. Chairman, if you really love me, the way you talk, go and patronize my business. I'll be your guy, your blood, your
So I'll align this one to the wall here. It's a shootout place for me to connect the core button down. So let me show you the landing door.
Now my business is this. I'm not carry my job, give another person. My blood. Oh yeah, it's time to show more business so come.
I think there's power already locked. You can't open it for 50%. So with the help of this thing, I can open it manually. But if the lift is working on normal operation,
Look at the merchandise.
that's mechanical key, yes. For you to open it manually, maybe to rescue somebody. But if the lift is working the way it's supposed to work, energize and energize by itself. Because there are electric components and include the mechanical and electrical.
This is what I do for a living, oh. Okay. Now my business with this. Don't go carry my job, give another person. Warning. My blood. Oh yeah, it's time to show what is. Business o'clock. No cho.